what you're going to be watching is to how to build a chicken coop. Remember to subscribe so then you can see it. And then you can see other awesome videos.
Without further ado, let's get started. Welcome back to our next part of our chicken coop. So we're going to move forward here and show you exactly how we built the runner for our chicken coop. We're going to go ahead and make a little landing here for the walkway for the chickies to come in and out. Another screw, Levi. This is how we're going to fasten it on here. We got this little bracket. And I'm going to screw that on there in the middle. Put that in, and then we're going to bend it down after we fasten it. Screw in.
Mr. Lewis, I have a question. Why do you have this here? It's going to make it stop from opening.
Well, Isabella, that's an excellent question. So what we did, we just bent this down. Curve it up here, and then I'm going to stick it right in there. So that's going to make for a nice. You don't have to worry about the chickens knocking that off, because we're going to be moving this coop back and forth, because they're going to be laying organic and range-free eggs. So we're going to be moving that. So now we're going to put on little steps on the staircase for the little chickies. So I cut little strips and we're spaced them out evenly, and then it's going to make it so the chickens can be able to walk up.
I feel like it's going to happen on all the others. Okay, maybe not.
And we're down to the last one. Go ahead and... Okay, we got that done, and now we go ahead and put this up into place. There, and now the chickens can go in and out. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something. And make sure you share and subscribe. As I will be explaining how I put the roof on, and then the runner. Some people call it the barnyard. Also, I'm going to be sharing how I built automatic watering system that you only have to water once a month. And also I'll be including another video of the feeder, and that as well only needs filled every couple weeks, and it's already been tested, and I just need to document it and get it sent out to you guys. So don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on those videos if that's something you're interested in.